Hi guys! Today we are gonna go over OBS Streamlabs, not OBS. Grizzly Run Streamlabs.
OBS.
Yeah, Streamlabs OBS, same name, whatever. Anywho, when you first get Streamlabs, you're gonna have to set it up. Basically, that's the fun part. Then you go log into all your accounts. That's another fun part.
Isn't it set up logging in, and then you choose your overlays?
Well, yeah, you can choose your overlays in no order. Okay, so basically, Twitch, to get a non-laggy stream, you're going to have to go down to
Output.
Yeah. And then you're going to have to set Twitch is 4500 bitrate. Anything lower, it's going to lag out. The actual Streamlabs is going to lag out.
Alright, can I butt in and say, can you scroll back up and hit streaming? Hit output, and then scroll up. Hit, okay, that is your streaming.
Yeah, that is my streaming.
Okay, you're not streaming, so it's not.
Yeah. Alright, so you can also link all kinds of stuff to it. To stream to all of your platforms, you are going to have to buy Streamlabs Ultra. It's a good thing to have, in my opinion, because not only it allows you to stream, multi-stream.
Yes. Multi-stream. I dropped something.
It gives you all kinds of things. I'm not sure if you're not going to be able to see all this. Yeah, you're not going to be able to see. We have a dual Streamlabs. It's okay. It happens. It's going to allow you to buy overlays, stuff like that. And if you don't want to buy it, then you can make your own. I haven't figured out how to make my own yet. But it's... Oh, yeah, kid. All you do is hit waves and it adds new scenes, and you can go in and basically edit it the way you want. You can add browser source, all kinds of stuff. I don't know why I'm making this video.
You was wanting to talk about the Twitch, how to not make it laggy.
Yep, and I did that, but now here we are at everything else. Yeah, you can edit all this stuff. There's just so much you can do with it. So much I haven't done with it, as you could tell. Anyways.
That's about it.
That's about it. Be sure to add your, browser source.
And then when you start to go live, it'll ask you to fill in your title and everything else on there.
Yep. It's an easy piece of work. But, if you happen to have... I'm not sure if it's doing it now. I'm not live, so it's not going to... Oh, it is going to show up. Yeah. Well, if yours crashes and it says refreshing, reloading, whatever else, your Streamlabs is trying to update, but you may have to uninstall it to reinstall it to get it to work. That's the only way I found out. Oh, Streamlabs also does not like the game capture overlay. So you may end up having to use screen capture overlay. I don't think I'm really have anything personal up. So we're gonna go ahead and
technically capturing a screen capture right now.
Yeah. So you can go in and set it up this way, which works so much better than the other one. As always, if you have something we're gonna pop up PendoBot if he actually pops up. There he is. If you have him all the way down here, he's not gonna pop up. So be sure that your browser sources are always on top of your actual
game captures.
Yeah, game captures and other screens. That's about it. I just want to do a crash course on this. Not really much, but it's easy to use. If you are looking for a challenge, check out OBS if you want to. This is just for those who are just click and go. OBS is a little bit more challenging, but either way,
it works.
It works. So alright guys, I will catch you guys later. Bye!